Hey guys, this is the vlog I promised from the bird park. It is finally here. I'm finally done editing it. I hope you enjoy.
Hi! We are going to Jurong Bird Park. Yes. How do you feel?
Excited.
Yes, same. Hi guys. How do you feel? Bored? Okay, I guess. So now we're on the way on the bus. And so there's a free shuttle bus and Faith and Rachel are late. So we'll just go without them first.
Yes.
Who wants them to be late, right?
Yeah.
It's the problem. So we're just going to have fun first without them.
Joel, where are we at? Yeah, it's really nice.
If you are going to place your school right here, see what he does with it. Oh, you plastic bottle. Your name? Amigo.
You will find the majestic Philippine eagle, the tallest.
Grace, Mag, and Jaslyn are all there, and Jasmine also.
Their talons are so strong they can lift
Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound. Okay, go. For 1,000 years. Okay. Guess who we found again for like the 4th time? Hi. You did great, guys. Guys. I don't know. Hi, Mag. Hi, Jasmine. Wow, so scared. We're like so dead. And it's not even like, we're still gonna be here until like at least 5.
And then when someone's done,
Yeah, we're playing this game. Then we have to like quite literally run across the whole bird park multiple times. This is our 2nd round running. No, 3rd. Third round of the bird park.
Welcome to Jurong
Both of us are dying.
over 3,000
Yeah, we're both like runny nose. Hi. Every time we pass them, they go boo. They boo us. Slay.
Huh? This is not a zoo. Okay. This bird park, no lion.
okay, thank you.
Lion, you gotta go to the zoo at the Bandai side.
Okay, thank you. Hi guys, we just finished our amazing race. How was it? Very fun. I agree. Yeah, right. Hi. How was the amazing race?
Tiring.
Tiring. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess. Thanks for participating, everybody.
You're so welcome. Go.
Hey guys, so there are mushrooms here.
These are almost as good as a bird show, right?
Yeah.
So what we did not vlog was us quote unquote hiking in Jurong Bird Park. Do we all look like real hikers yet? Anyways, here are the guys taking photos of us because we're just so famous, they're our personal paparazzis. And then we asked the guys who worked in the nursery for photos because we thought they were so cool. We also all brought food corresponding to the first letters of our names for lunch. So I brought farfalle pasta. It was genuinely so good. But then I realized I was the only one who brought proper food. Everyone else brought desserts and stuff. And here's Isaiah with his birds of a feather flock together shirt and his surfer penguin friend. Surf's up, dude.
Bye, Rachel.
We're leaving but tired. We're done of this banana life. We're done of this. It's tiring.
Yay.
Yay, it's raining. Is this a sign for us to go home?
Main conclusion, do we like breads?
No. We had a poop.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
but like the bread itself is nice.
Yeah, the bread is not bad. I guess.
Oh, yeah, I found out that there are lions in the bread enclosure, like huge live lions.
Yeah, I didn't know that actually. It was interesting. Good to know, good to say bye.